Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili ground beef easy method. Start by heating a skillet and adding a drizzle of oil, then sauté the chopped onion and garlic until translucent. Add 1 pound of ground beef and brown thoroughly, breaking it apart with a spoon. Drain any excess fat, then return meat to the pan and stir in tomatoes, tomato paste, and your spices to build a rich base. Once the meat and tomatoes are combined, sprinkle in chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper while stirring warmly. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and a half cup of water to loosen the sauce and encourage melding. Reduce heat to low and simmer uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chili thickens and the flavors taste balanced and comforting. If you're enjoying this recipe, please like the video and subscribe for more easy meals and tips. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that changed how I think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with budget-friendly cooking ideas. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a copy if you want, and now let's get back to the video. This chili ground beef is flexible and forgiving, so feel free to adjust spice levels and textures as you go. Spoon it over steamed rice, stuff into tortillas, or ladle it atop baked potatoes for hearty meals the whole family will enjoy. Garnish with shredded cheese, chopped cilantro, sour cream, or sliced jalapenos to brighten each bowl. Reheat gently and add a splash of water if it has thickened too much.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.